In this series, we're going to be covering the basics of virtual machines and some fun stuff we can use them for, as they're used a lot in CTFs and challenges, as well as being very useful for everyday activities. Today we're going to be covering the installation and setup process of VirtualBox for use in other episodes. First of all, you will need to navigate to the VirtualBox website like so. I will put the download link in the description to save you some time. Here you will see the latest packages of VirtualBox, which at this time is 5.2.14. Be sure to select the correct package dependent on your host. I am on Windows, so I select Windows Hosts, and Chrome will automatically start to download the installer. Once it is completed, you may be asked to run or cancel the executable. Be sure to hit Run to continue. Go through the installer, clicking Next when prompted. You will receive a warning about VirtualBox resetting your network connection during the adapter installation. Click Yes to proceed with the installation if that is okay. It usually isn't noticeable. Finally, click Install to begin the installation. You may be prompted by user account control to allow the installer to run, so allow it and wait for the install to finish. You'll be greeted by a completion screen with an optional checkbox to start VirtualBox after the installation. Leave this checked and hit Finish. If you don't see VirtualBox right away, don't worry. For me, it decided to launch in the background, and it can be brought to focus by simply clicking the icon on your taskbar. As you can see, we have installed the latest version of VirtualBox, which we can use to set up virtual machines for the rest of this series. In the next video, we'll be covering how to add and configure an Ubuntu 18.04 virtual machine. Peace.